In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth could not connect in Windows 11. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open settings on your device. So to be able to do that, you need to click on Windows button and the I button on your keyboard. Now on your settings, head over into the devices tab. So click on that devices tab. Since you'll be able to find the Bluetooth option on the devices tab. And then from here, head over into Bluetooth and other devices section. Troubleshoot this and then follow the on-screen instructions. So you'll usually find that at the right side of your screen. So basically at the right side of my screen, I was able to find this more Bluetooth option. So I can further edit the settings of the Bluetooth of my device. So another thing that you can do is to go ahead and restart your Bluetooth services. So to be able to do that, you need to go ahead and click on WinR on your keyboard, and then on the pop-up, you need to enter services.msc and hit on enter. Now in here, go ahead and locate Bluetooth support service, Bluetooth audio gateway service, and Bluetooth user support service. Right click on each of this and then click on that restart button. Now after this, you need to set startup type to automatic. And the last option that you have to resolve this problem is to go ahead and check for Windows Update. So reopen your settings, and then on your settings, head over into Update and Security. And then in here, go ahead and check for updates. So if there are updates for your Windows device, go ahead and update your Windows device to resolve the issue. And that is how you can basically fix Bluetooth cannot connect in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.